Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on DIA. In my previous videos, we have been following this very big descending triangle that DIA formed on the weekly time frame chart. Right now, after breaking down the support, DIA is trying to re-enter the same triangle and also form another smaller triangle on the smaller time frame charts as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this very big triangle that I have been sharing with you almost 2 months ago. This was my last video on DIA when it was moving at the support of that descending triangle, and we were expecting that it can be bounced from that support. But right now we can see that it broke down the support, and we had a move up to 29.1 cents. And if I switch to this to the smaller time frame, like here, we can see on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see from here, from 12th of May up till now, it is surged more than 210%. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then even you can see this move is more than 290% from 29 cents, and it is up to $1.14. But even after this surge, this rally, DIA is still in trouble, because DIA needs to re-enter this big triangle. And right now, this previous support of the triangle is breaking as a resistance. And we can see that on this 4-hourly time frame chart, candlesticks are getting rejected again and again, and are not able to re-enter in this triangle. And this is now, we are on the hourly time frame, and we can see that we have several rejections here, and right now DIA is once again trying to re-enter this very big triangle. And this is the weekly time frame, and we can see that this triangle was the support was found here back in August 2020. This was a really very long-term support, and we can see that here in October 2020, in November 2020, and here once again in June 2021, and from January 2022 up till here April 2022, it has been breaking as a support from this from August 2020 to April 2022. And after several attempts, several touch points, finally here in the month of April 2022, DIA broke down the support. Therefore, this long-term support can again turn into a very long-term resistance for DIA as well. But if price line re-enters the triangle, then we will have this next resistance, that is the downtrend line resistance of this descending triangle. Then DIA needs to break out this triangle, this resistance of the triangle. Now, for example, if DIA breaks out the resistance of this triangle, re-enter the triangle first and breaks out the resistance, then next move, or next target after the breakout will be very big from here. That will be approximately at $6.30. And at the same time, the good news here is that DIA has formed another down channel, and that will be more visible on the smaller time frame, and I will show you on the daily time frame. This is the support, and the same resistance of the triangle is breaking as a resistance of this down channel. Let me remove these trend lines of the triangle and switch to the daily time frame. Then here we can see that DIA has formed this down channel. Now, for example, if we will be rejected, then there will be a probability that it will retest the support of the channel here. That will be approximately at 44 cents, and that will be more than 50% drop if we will be rejected. Therefore, it is really very important for DIA to break out the channel as soon as possible. And if we take a look at the target for the down channel, that will be here at the top of the channel, and here we have very strong resistance as well, and that is at $2.50. And we can also see that we also have this red line, that is the daily 200 simple moving average resistance, just above the resistance of this down channel. And after breaking out this resistance of the channel, it will be very important for DIA to break out this 200 daily simple moving average as well. And you can see it is also rejected by this 200 daily simple moving average. Now, if we switch to the very small time frame on an hourly time frame chart, then here we can see DIA has formed this ascending triangle. We have so many rejections here and several touch points. Now, if DIA breaks out this triangle, even though this is a really very small time frame chart, the hourly time frame chart, but right now the significance of this chart is very high. For example, if DIA will break out the resistance of this triangle, then our next target to the upside will be here at $1.30. And we can see that if price line will move to the $1.30, then it can also break out this resistance of the channel and also the resistance of this 100 daily simple moving average. And it can also re-enter the bigger triangle as well. And there will be a very high probability that after that, it will also break out this very, very big resistance of this triangle as well. So next few hours are very important, even though this is a really very small triangle. But right now, we need to keep an eye on this triangle. If it will break it out, then there can be a big move by DIA. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.